How to use Binance P2P. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, simply open up your Binance account. After that, open up the trade section, and over here you get this option of P2P. Simply open it up. Now over here you get two options, whether to buy crypto or sell crypto. If you want to receive money from your bank account to Binance, then simply select this option of buy. If you want to sell USDT and then receive the money in your bank account, then simply select this option of sell. And after you select sell or buy, the listings will change at the bottom. If you are selecting buy, then you would be able to find different listings that would get you USDT that you can utilize in order to invest in crypto. If you want to receive the money in your bank account, select sell, and you would see all the different listings that would help you to sell your USDT and receive the money in your bank account. Now let's understand the listings of both buy and sell in more detail. If we select the option of buy, you would be able to find the advertiser's number, the person who is advertising any particular listing over here. You would be able to see them, and you would also see these badges, bronze or the silver badges, according to the person and their history of trading on Binance. Make sure that you select the right person. It is quite important to avoid these scams, and make sure that you select someone who has more than 95% of the completion rate. So this way you would be able to avoid these scams, and then you would be able to see the price for that particular USDT according to the currency of your country. Then you would be able to find the available order, like the amount of USDT that you can purchase from that particular person. This person only has 90.62 USDT. If you want to receive more USDT or want to purchase more USDT, then this person is not useful for you. So you just have to scroll down and find that person who is actually selling the amount of USDT that you are looking to purchase. Also, you would be able to find the option of payment method. Here you can see digital e-rupee is the option, IMPS is the option, bank transfer is the option, and you can see the different options. So just choose the person accordingly, but always make sure that you are choosing someone who has more than 95% of the completion rate. And you can also go with someone who has more than 90% completion in case if you're not able to find someone. After that, just simply click on this option of buy USDT and then type the amount, and you would be able to see that how much money or USDT that you will be receiving. Then select your payment method, and then you would have to pay using your bank account, and then you would be receiving the USDT, and this is how it will work. Now, how do we sell our USDT and then receive the money in our bank account? For that, just simply click on this option of sell. You can also select the currency of your country over here. You can also filter out using the payment methods from this place quite easily, and then select the person with highest completion rate. Also make sure that person has the amount of USDT that you want to sell. Suppose you want to sell 1000 USDT. Now, you won't be able to go with this person, as this person can only purchase around 320 USDT from you. You would have to select one another in order to complete your order. So it's better to select someone who can accept your order in one go. That would be better, as there would be less fees. And if the trade is profitable for you, even if you go with all the three persons at the top, then you should go with them as well. So here is the person who can give you $1,000, but this person doesn't has higher completion rate, so we will not go with this person. 54.5% completion rate is pathetic, so we will not go with this person. Here we can see that there is 92% completion rate, which is better, and also it has the amount that we are looking for. It has different options that we can utilize in order to complete our transaction. Then click on this option of sell USDT, then type the amount of USDT that you want to sell. Then you would be able to see the amount of money that you would be receiving in your bank account. Then set up the payment method, give the details of your bank, and click on sell. This way you would be able to receive the money in your bank account. and that's how you do it. So this is how P2P works for USDT. You can also select other options or other cryptos as well in case if you want to from the top over here. And this is how P2P works for buy and for sell. And I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.